Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to off restrict background data in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to off it, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On your settings, locate and click on connections. Under connections, scroll down and click on data usage. Now under data usage, locate and click on allow network for apps. And then should say see whatever app to use Wi-Fi only, prefer mobile network, prefer mobile data, or use whichever is available. Now you want to off restrict background data. This is it. Locate the application where you want to off restrict background data and set this to mobile data and Wi-Fi. So you want to repeat this on all the applications you have here, so that the application can access background data whether you are on mobile data or you are on Wi-Fi, and after that you are good. So that is exactly how to off restrict background data in Samsung. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.